Alright guys, let me quickly show you how layers work in Affinity, and how you can add new ones. By default, your layer panel is on the right side. Now there are two main types of layers you should know about. First, we have a container layer. Um, this one is for vector shapes and text, and second one have pixel layers. Right here, these are for photos and anything that's raster based. Something important to remember: most of the time you don't need to add layers manually. For example, right now I'm in vector mode. If I grab a shape tool, if I take this one here, shape tool, and draw, or I will take that one, draw something, you will see that right here it made automatically a new layer. So I didn't manually add nothing, and that's how most tools works. But if you want to add one layer, you can click add here, contain layer, and you get this one, new one. You also can do the same with pixel layer, uh, and so on and so on. Um, this will probably uh, be familiar to you if you are coming from Adobe Illustrator, or if you are a beginner. This video will help you with understanding uh, with basics of Affinity or Adobe Illustrator. It's the same thing. And yeah, this is basically it, how to do a layer in Adobe Designer, Affinity Designer, sorry. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.